Okay, welcome to another episode of Code with Python on your phone. Today we are going to be looking at a very important part called list methods. What exactly are list methods? List methods are simply operations, simple operations that you perform on your list. Remember we mentioned earlier, anytime you want to store a data in Python and that data has to do with a list, a to-do list, a shopping list, something that you just ordered, you usually use what? List to store it, right? And list method are simply the operations that you perform on a list, right? So in this case now we want to add a new item. We can see this list at the top here. We've created a list that has apple and banana, and if you print it you can see it's giving you apple and banana, right? So now in this case now we want to add a new item to the list at the top, right? In this case I want to add a new item. So let's say we want to add mango to the list at the top. What do? We type mango. Fruits, we type the name of the list, which is fruits dot append. Use append for that purpose. We open our bracket and type the name of exactly what we want to add to this particular list, and then we can go ahead and print it. So once we print it, you can see now that you are going to be seeing what? Mango. That means mango has just been added to that list. So if I also wanted to remove mango from the list, I go ahead, I wanted to remove an item from that list, I simply go ahead and I want to remove the mango that I just typed to the list. I go ahead and do remove. Once I do remove, I put in exactly what I want to remove, and once I do that, it's simply, and I go ahead and print the fruit which I just did earlier. I can go ahead and print that which I've done earlier, so we can actually see exactly what we've done. Yes, and I go ahead and print that, so you can see now that the mango is no longer there. All you have just is what? Apple and banana. So quick challenge for you: create a simple list that has two of your top favorite fruits, and then add a third one with append, and then remove it again with remove. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.